Have you ever wondered how this vast universe came into being? According to the timeless wisdom of Sanatan Dharma, the creation of the universe is a mystical journey that originates from the infinite and formless Brahman, the ultimate reality. In the beginning, there was nothing but Brahman, pure, infinite consciousness without form or attributes. This eternal reality existed as Nirguna Brahman, beyond space, time, and causation. There was no sky, no earth, no light, no darkness, only the boundless and unmanifested. From the stillness arose a desire, the will of Brahman to become many. This desire, called Ichha Shakti, initiated the process of creation. In this moment, Brahman manifested as Saguna Brahman, the form-filled reality, taking the first step in creating the cosmos. From this primal will emerged the first vibration, the sound of Om. Known as the Nada Brahman, this cosmic sound is the foundation of all existence. The Mandukya Upanishad declares, Om is the essence of the entire universe. This sound gave rise to the three fundamental states of creation, Srishti, creation, Sthiti, sustenance, and Laya, dissolution. From the vibration of Om, the cosmic egg, known as Hiranyagarbha or the golden womb, was formed. The Rigveda describes it as the source of all life and matter. Within this egg resided all the elements of creation, space, time, and the seeds of all living beings. From the egg emerged the creator, Brahma, who took on the task of shaping the universe. Using the cosmic blueprint contained within the egg, Brahma created the Pancha Mahabhutas, the five elements, earth, water, fire, air, and space. Guided by the cosmic sound Om, Brahma began shaping the universe. He meditated deeply and created the rishis, sages, who would preserve the knowledge of creation. From his mind emerged the devas, celestial beings, the asuras, powerful beings, and all forms of life. Sanatan Dharma teaches that creation is cyclical, not linear. The universe undergoes cycles of creation, preservation, and dissolution, each lasting for billions of years. This cosmic cycle is called a kalp, overseen by Brahma, Vishnu, the preserver, and Shiva, the destroyer. This grand vision of creation from Sanatan Dharma reminds us of the interconnectedness of all life in the eternal dance of energy and consciousness. From the formless Brahman to the infinite cosmos, every element is a reflection of the divine. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the ancient story of creation. Subscribe to ThatSat to explore more stories and teachings from the Vedas, Upanishads, and beyond. Together, let's uncover the wisdom of the universe. Om Tat Sat. Subscribe now, like and share.